All right, folks, this is Heine's morning update. ES right now trading 4,600 basically, right in line with our POCs at last couple days. What we need to notice here is 46.27, 45.74. So we had an inside day yesterday. That's going to be a catalyst at some point, whether it be today or tomorrow. This is the end of the month, so I would assume, again, this is just assumption, that they would try to ramp this up to make their quarterlies look good. We will see if that's the case, but that would be my what I would lean towards, more on the bullish side today. But again, until we break the 27 or the 74, this day remains inside this day, which is already inside this day. Now, if we get a triple inside day, that'll make fireworks for Friday. But we'll see. And then we'll look for a continuation, especially on the downside. So if 74, then 72 needs to break. And then you have the 65 level. Then we'll start to took out. Look, we've got singles all the way down to 56, and then we'll hit the 40 range. And, again, that 54.14, 40, or 45.25 is still a huge level. But again, I don't see any of that today. We'll look at the hourly. We're kind of the 9 and 30-day moving average, which I kind of use, has crossed. So it's more of an bearish stance. But again, that's just kind of something I watch. If you look, it crossed all the way down here and hasn't since. And then we had the cross here. So we'll see if that stays legit or not. We're right on the pivot at 46.01, and then 75 and 27. Interesting. I think 27 matches. Yeah, so it's interesting. The pivot high is 27. So for an inside candle to break, this needs to exceed that. We'll see. What else? Euro down a little bit today. This is the daily. So we're going to see, like right here was 224, this candle here. That was Russia. And then we had a drop all the way down to 108. As I said, that 108 level is crucial. It needs to hold. And it's been kind of steadily going back and forth. So at 111, the prior range was 110 to 108, but we'll see. Keep an eye on that. Although that's been an odd indicator because yesterday this was up, and the market euro was up, market was down, which is typically inverse. Typically when the euro goes down, the dollar goes up, and that pushes the market down. So I'm curious to see if this is still an indicator, but keep an eye on it. Again, Dow's down 30, NASDAQ's up 30, SPOs are unchanged. OPEC today, 432,000 bump daily barrels, and Biden's talking about 180 million strategic reserve boost. Crude oil was down to almost the 100 level, so it's kind of hovering around there. That has lost indication as well. It's not, because Russia is kind of priced in, so a lot of this. Here's the wheat. You had this is the hourly. Here's your daily. So it's been holding. Again, this has kind of lost its luster for indication about Russia. These indicators work when these events happen, and then they kind of fade out. But there's a huge grain report today for our agricultural report, crop report. So we'll see more of a true pricing after this report and see what what transpires on that. If everything's limit down, then that would be good for our food situation. If not, then our inflation continues. So anyway, that's kind of it. We're kind of stuck right here. We need to break away. We need to move out of, obviously, the 14 and 90 range, and then 27 and 74 need to break that inside candle. Most notably 31 and down to 65. Any of those breaking, we should. I don't know. I don't see them holding, but again, we'll see. Today's odd. I have nothing special. So, and it's not a zero DTE day. So, but this could be setting up for Friday. But again, end of month. So, they could push it higher. Anyway, have a wonderful day.